Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Barclays credit card account, secure access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Barclays official website URL. Once the page loads, look for the login option at the top right corner. Click on the login button. A drop-down menu will appear. Select credit card from the options listed. You will be redirected to the login page for your credit card account. Here, you will see fields for your login credentials. Enter your registered email address in the first field. In the second field, input your password. Make sure to double-check that your credentials are accurate. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgotten Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you've entered your email and password, click the Login button. After a moment, you should be directed to your Barclays credit card account dashboard. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. You are now logged into your Barclays credit card account and can manage your transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.